Hello guys, here welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create an Amazon wish list. So what you want to do is make sure you are logged into your Amazon account. Once you are logged in, what you want to do is you want to come over to your profile icon here. So once you over this, is going to bring out your account details out, and what you want to do is you want to move to the left hand side right here, then click on create a list. So what you want to do here is come over here, then click on create a list here. So here is going to prompt you to enter a name for your list. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this my wish shopping list. So after that, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on create list here. So as you can see, I've just created my wish list, and as you can see here, it says private. So this is the list wish shopping list, which is private. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on more here at the right hand corner here. Click on more, then click on manage list, so you can edit the list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manage list. Then here what you want to do is you want to change or click on this toggle button that says private. You want to click on private, then change it to public. Yeah, so after that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then this is your recipient's name, that is the name that is going to show on the other hand. So here you want to enter your email address, and if you also want to give it a short description, this is where you're going to enter the description. So here it says shipping address. So what you want to do here is you want to click on this drop down menu here, then select your address. So this is the address they are going to ship the product to, that is whoever you're going to be sharing the list with. When they buy the product on your behalf, the address here is really going to be shipping the product to. So once you are done, once you are okay with all of the settings, what you have to do is come over here, then click on save changes. So we've just edited our wish list. So the next thing you want to do now is to just go over to Amazon, then shop around for a product. So for example, I want to buy one of this product, or I want to add it to my wish list. So what I'm going to do is you can just scroll down at the lower right hand corner. You're going to see add to list here. So when you click on the drop down menu here, you're going to see the list you just created. So when you click on it, you'll be able to add this to your wish list. So you can either click on view your list or continue shopping. So when I click on view list, it's going to show the product I just added to my list. So this is basically how you can create an Amazon wish list that you can send to someone to shop on your behalf. And if you want to send the wish list, all you have to do is come over here, then click on send list to others. So when I click on send list to others, you'll be able to copy the link and share it with whoever you want to share it with. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.